girl, let me just
I
say
know
something.
you called him on a cell phone when you couldn't reach my love. Called him on a cell phone when you couldn't reach.
Anatomical position is the position of the body used by doctors in order to describe the location of the parts in the body. In the anatomical position, the body is straight, the arms are straight ahead at the side of the body, with the palms facing the front. The legs are also facing forward, with the feet flat on the floor.
The body planes are used to see the internal organs and many parts of the body in the exterior. So the body is divided in many planes, such as the sagittal plane that passes vertically from the top of the body to the bottom. There's another plane called a mid-sagittal plane that divides the body into left and right halves. There are also other planes like the transversal, which divides the body horizontally.
The two main cavities of the human body are dorsal and ventral cavities. The dorsal cavity is found posterior surface of the human body, and it has two divisions: cranial cavity, which contains the cerebrum, and the spinal cavity, which contains the spinal cord. These two cavities are continuous. The ventral cavity is found near the anterior surface of the body. It is divided into two cavities: the thoracic cavity and abdominal pelvic cavity, which are separated by the diaphragm. The thoracic cavity is surrounded by the ribs, the sternum, and vertebral column. Within this cavity there are three smaller cavities, which are the pericardial cavity surrounding the heart, and two pleural cavities that surround the lungs. The mediastinum is a central area within the thoracic cavity which extends from the neck to the diaphragm and from the sternum to the vertebral column. The organs that are found in the mediastinum are the heart, thymus, the esophagus, trachea, and bronchioles. The pleural cavities are found on each side of the mediastinum.
Hello. The abdominal pelvic cavity is formed out of two continuous cavities, abdominal and pelvic cavity. The abdominal cavity is found between the diaphragm and the border of the pelvis. This cavity contains the stomach, liver, gallbladder, etc., and the appendix and part of the large intestine. The pelvic cavity is found below the border of the pelvis and contains part of the large intestine, rectum, the bladder, the female reproductive organs such as the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and the male reproductive organs like the prostate, testicles, and part of the vas deferens.